Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your order on CNFans. So what you'll need to do is first of all log into your account and basically go at the top right corner, click on your account and click My Account. And basically from here what you'll need to do is go to the orders and you'll find the order information and basically the number. You can copy it and go to the website like parcelsapp.com or 17track.net, then just paste your tracking number and click on track package. And after that, you'll see all the information of the package, where it is, and how it's moving. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.